Many people are connecting to the csgo network. All the servers are going down. That means it's happening, guys. Farewell csgo. RIP csgo. Respect. Rest in peace csgo. Check this out. Release cs2 now or cut the rope. Stop. Goodbye csgo. csgo. Peace out. Counter-Strike Global Offense. Goodbye. RIP csgo. Let's check it out. The latest update. Oh my goodness. CSGO is going forever. Is it true? What's really going on, guys? Today in this video, we'll be checking out the latest details. Yes, CSGO is one of those games that will remain in our hearts forever. And what's really going on onto the Twitter, onto the internet is kind of a crazy. People are talking CSGO will be gone forever. So what's really going on, guys? Is it true or not? I'm really shocked by hearing this news. At least those videos right over here you can see CSGO is going. Honestly, it shook me for some time to see and hear this that CSGO is officially going away. So let me show you the latest status what's really going on. Here you can see onto the down detector as of right now it started and there was 882 outage report, and now right now it's about 743 outage report. All right, now what people are talking about it, let me show you. So right over here, well, let's check it out the latest tweet. So here you can see, guys, CSGO servers are down. Farewell CSGO. RIP CSGO. Respect. Rest in peace CSGO. Goodbye CSGO. CSGO. Peace out. Counter-Strike Global Offense. Goodbye. RIP CSGO. Let's check it out the latest update from CS2 News. Well, here you can see CS2 News. Well, this is the CS2 update leak news Twitter official page, and here you can see, guys, do we got any latest update? Here you can see 20 minutes ago CSGO servers are closed. We played CSGO for the last time today. Yes, guys, this is kind of a serious. Just check this out. How many servers are going offline? All the servers are offline. Here you can see all the servers. Yes, we are talking about all the servers which are going offline as of right now. Not a single server, not a particular location. All the servers are going down. That means it's happening, guys. CSGO will be officially gone as far as what we can see from the data. Honestly, this is kind of a shocking news to me to see all the CSGO servers offline. So you see, guys, CSGO matchmaking is currently closed. Are you getting the same problem? Do let me know in the comments down below. Honestly, after seeing this tweet from CS2, I didn't realize this is kind of a serious situation because there is no detail. Check this out. Release CS2 now or cut the rope. Stop. Check this out. The use of CSGO 360 stats content has been removed. Subscription fees are refunded to users. Oh my goodness, guys. See, this is really happening as of right now. I'm still not believing. Honestly, it's really hard to believe that CSGO is going away forever. Honestly, do let me know your words to respect the king, the Counter-Strike Global Offense. Do let me know what do you think about CSGO. Honestly, it's one of those games which we played a lot, had a lot of fun, tons and tons of fun. And yeah, guys, do let me know your experience. Is it really growing? Now, honestly, at this point, from what we can see, CSGO is truly going away forever. So see, here you can see your time is now. Today we are updating CS2 limited test with new map. See, Paris 2020 sticker capsules do not appear into the menu. Has countdown started for the removal of the CSGO. Check this out. CSGO stats 360 also removed, but it's there but you can't buy it anymore. Obviously, you can't pretend that you didn't saw that. Obviously, it's the reality. Counter-Strike X account change its banner to this image again. A dawn, a new day. And honestly, this is really happening, guys. Check this out. 9 hours ago, CSGO developers are preparing for the update. How many hours did you play CSGO? This fellow started in 2016. Honestly, guys, tons and tons of people have their memories connected with CSGO. Me too. I'm one of those people. I'm one of you. I wish to be global, but I never think I hit a rank. I hope I can hit the highest rank on CS2. Alright, guys, so this is it. It's happening. Do let me know your opinion. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.